I just made just noticed I wasn't recording. So I'm going to be eating with you guys. And we walked outside and we saw your car. I'm going to be eating lunch with you guys. I'm going to be recording for 4 hours. So make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to. So come outside. I gotta warm the seat. I'll bring you guys. I'll come back for the food. I don't want to drop my masterpiece. I'm just gonna put you. Come on, Kayla. Oh, come on, Bailey. Come on. Oh wait, okay. I forgot there wasn't a table outside, but there is one over here. So I can use this one. Put you guys right there. And I'll go and get my food. Ugh, why is it so hard to open? So, got my food, and I'm ready to eat. I made toast and yogurt. Let's try it. It's a little burnt because I left it on the toaster for too long, and yeah. And happy Mother's Day. That's actually pretty good. It was pretty soft when I first put it in the toaster, but when I let it bake, it like got a little crunchier. I guess this is like a mukbang / making food video. Yeah. Bailey, do you want a piece of bread? Want crust? I let my dog sometimes have crust. Want crust? Yeah. Maybe comment down below how your days have been going. And also, I'm going to show you the scar for my concussion too. Yeah, it's healing, all right. I don't know when my family is getting stuff from my grandma. And I know I already got stuff for my mom, but I made a couple stuff for my grandma. I don't know, but I know that my aunts and uncles and friends thought they're giving stuff for my grandma because like it's basically their mom. So yeah, but for me, not really. But inside, I do have a little flower that I'm gonna, this big like fake flower thing that I'm gonna give to Mom. I can actually go get it for you guys, and I can show it to you. This is it. And did Kilo take over the camera? I don't know if it's real or fake. Looks real, but I'm just gonna leave it outside and wait for my mom to get here. I'm at my grandma's house right now because I just sleep here on like weekends. Yeah, that was the word I was looking for. And also, yesterday Kilo gave me a cut because I was on the swing and he thought I was a dog and he jumped on me. He did that with other people too. Aww. This is my dog Bailey. She is really sweet. I'm just trying to look. Okay, I was just trying to look at the minutes because I was just trying to. Never mind. Just don't mind that. I may actually, in a few hours, I may be recording a video about lunch. So, don't miss that. Just stop eating at that part because Bailey's even having a hard time eating it. It's hard once I got to like the black part because it was burnt. It kind of got hard. The more lighter it is, the more softer it is, and then the more darker it is, the more like hard it is. I'm almost done with my food, and yeah, and maybe after I'm done recording that lunch video, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be recording a Roblox video. Or any video, really. Yeah. The reason I'm not sitting inside is because I just want to. And also Bailey just wants to eat with me too. Oh my god. I'm full, but I can't eat my yogurt. I'm gonna try my yogurt in a second to see if it's like old. Because the yogurts that we had in like you guys probably saw it, but the yogurt in there was watery. Like, it was very watery. And I don't know if I already said this, or I don't know if I already said this, or if it was in the video that I forgot to record. Wait, how many minutes? Okay, it's already at 10 minutes, so I gotta finish. Okay. Smells good. I don't really like strawberries that much. But this actually looks like a strawberry. It's alright. I don't like the big strawberries. But the yogurt is good. Pass the test. Sorry, I'm just looking around. Bye, guys.